Welcome to the installation and configuration of KIM Plus Client Module. Before we begin, the following preconditions must be met. You downloaded the installation package for your environment from the download point, https://cm.kimplus.de/download/current/. You have access to the connector certificate. Let's proceed. Start the installation of the KIM Plus Client Module by double-clicking on the installation package. Wait for the installation wizard to be ready. Click on the Continue button. If necessary, reselect the destination folder for installation. Click on the Continue button. By default, the Administration module and Proxy selection fields are enabled. The proxy functionality and the administration console are installed. The static route to the specialist service must be set during the first installation. Click on the checkbox Static route to specialist service. Click on the Continue button. Enter the IP address of the connector. If you are using multiple connectors, enter the IP address of the default connector. Click on the Continue button. Wait for the installation to complete. Optionally, select the frequency with which you want to check for updates. Click on the Finish button. The installation will finish and the KIM Plus Client Module will start in the background. Right-click the Client Module icon in the taskbar. Click on Settings. Confirm the message with the OK button. Click on the General entry in the menu. Here you can change preferences for parameters such as timeout and time to live, or turn logging on and off. The specifications in the standard are our best practice. Click on the Proxy entry in the menu. Here you can make settings of the ports. Click on the TLS entry in the menu. The Specialist Service Certificate is automatically inserted into the client module the first time an email is sent. You can download and use the included TLS Connector Client Certificate. With this certificate, the email client authenticates itself to the connector and the client module. You can generate a new TLS Connector Client Certificate and then download and use it. Or, you can import your own TLS Connector Client Certificate into the client module. You can set TLS encryption if the KIM Plus Client Module is not located on the same server as the email program. Configure at least one default connector. Click on the Connectors entry in the menu. Click on the Create New Connector button. Enter the name of the connector in the Connector ID field and the IP address of the connector in the hostname field. Enter the connector certificate by clicking on the Browse button. You can upload a PEM file or a SAR file. Configure the client authentication that is stored in the connector. If necessary, upload the certificate key. Enter the client ID, the workstation ID, the client system ID, and, if necessary, the user ID. You only need the user ID when using an HBA. Click on the Save Settings button. Click on the Test Connection button. If the configuration is correct, you will see a green check mark. The connector has been saved. The KIM Plus Client Module is now installed and configured.